Let's start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, navigate to Online Store and then click on Themes. Find the theme you are currently using and click the three dots, then select Edit Default Theme Content. This interface controls the static text across your entire store, including the password page. In the search bar at the top, type the word password. This will filter all the related fields instantly, showing you exactly where you can change the headline, the message body, and even the placeholder text inside the email input field. Go through each of these fields and replace the default text with your own brand voice, while keeping it clear and inviting for your visitors. To change the visual design and layout, you need to edit the theme code. Go back to the Themes area and this time, click the three dots on your active theme and select Edit Code. You are looking for a file named password.liquid or passwordheader.liquid, depending on your theme structure. Do not panic when you see the code. We are only making small, targeted adjustments. The first thing most people want to do is add a logo. Look for the opening body tag or the main content wrapper and paste your image tag just above the main header code. You must upload your logo first in the settings under Files to get a direct URL. If you want full design control without touching code, using a third-party page builder app is the fastest method. Go back to your admin and click on Apps, then visit the Shopify App Store. Search for a landing page builder like Pagefly or Zipify Pages. Install one that offers a free plan and open its dashboard. These tools let you build a custom page from scratch using drag and drop sections. Design your entire splash screen with background videos, countdown timers, and custom buttons, then publish it. After publishing, go into Online Store, then Preferences, and at the bottom in the Password Protection area, you can redirect the password page to the URL of the new landing page you just built. Finally, you can enhance the page's functionality with custom CSS styling. Inside your theme's code editor, find the file named theme.scss.liquid or password.scss.liquid. This is your style sheet. Scroll down to the very bottom and start adding custom styles. For example, you can change the background color of the entire page by targeting the body tag and setting a background property. You can also hide the Shopify Powered by link by targeting its class and setting Display to None. If you want to add a background image, redirect your password page visitors automatically, or integrate a MailChimp sign-up form. Small snippets of Liquid and HTML can be placed directly into the password.liquid file for a completely custom branded experience.